Want to play Valorant on console with keyboard and mouse like a pro? I tried every method and found the one that actually works. Watch this guide to learn how to set it up properly in just 2 minutes. First method, check official support. Currently, Valorant on console doesn't natively support keyboard and mouse. Unlike some other games, you can't just plug and play. The developers have disabled this feature to ensure fair gameplay between all players. Second option, use adapter devices, like XIM or Cronus Zen. These devices trick the console into thinking your keyboard and mouse are a controller. However, I must warn you, this is against Valorant's terms of service and can get you banned. Use at your own risk. Third method, cloud gaming services. If you want to play Valorant with keyboard and mouse, use cloud services like NVIDIA GeForce Now on a computer. This way you can play the PC version properly, with your preferred input method, without any adapters. Important warning, using unauthorized adapters can result in permanent ban. Valorant's anti-cheat system is very strong. Many players have been banned for using keyboard and mouse adapters on console. It's better to practice with controller instead. That's the truth about keyboard and mouse on Valorant console. Stick to controller or play PC version. Like if this honest guide helped. Subscribe for more Valorant tips.